into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Floating home design refers to a specialized branch of architecture where residential structures are built upon a buoyant floating foundation, securely moored in a fixed location such as a lake, river, or harbor. Unlike a houseboat, which is typically motorized and designed for navigation, a floating home is a permanent residence that brings the comforts of traditional land-based living to the water. This design philosophy emphasizes a seamless connection between the interior living space and the surrounding aquatic environment. It requires a deep understanding of marine engineering, ensuring that the home remains stable, level, and durable against the constant movement of tides and currents, while providing a unique lifestyle that celebrates the beauty of nature. The benefits of living in a properly designed floating home extend far beyond the stunning views. One of the primary advantages is the unparalleled sense of peace and tranquility that comes from being surrounded by water, which has been scientifically shown to reduce stress and improve mental well-being. From a practical standpoint, floating homes offer a unique solution to rising sea levels and urban land scarcity, providing a sustainable way to inhabit underutilized waterfront areas. These homes often foster a close-knit, vibrant community of like-minded individuals who value nature and adventure. Furthermore, because they are built on water, these homes offer a natural cooling effect during hot summer months and provide a front-row seat to local wildlife and changing seasonal landscapes that land-based homes simply cannot match. Decorating the exterior of a floating home requires a balance between aesthetic appeal and high-performance durability. To make a floating home look truly exceptional, designers often utilize a biophilic approach, incorporating natural wood cladding like cedar or charred larch that weathers beautifully over time and blends into the shoreline. Large expanses of floor-to-ceiling glass are essential, as they reflect the water's surface and make the structure feel lighter and more integrated with the horizon. Lighting plays a crucial role. Installing subtle, warm LED strips along the waterline or recessed under the eaves can create a magical, hovering effect at night. Adding minimalist railings made of glass or thin steel cables ensures that your view remains unobstructed while maintaining a sleek, modern profile that complements the fluid nature of the surroundings. The best elements for a successful floating home design focus on resilience and a less is more minimalist aesthetic. High quality, marine-grade materials are non-negotiable, including stainless steel, composite decking, and specialized moisture-resistant membranes to protect against the humid environment. Smart space planning is another vital element, often incorporating multifunctional furniture and open-concept layouts to maximize the footprint. To enhance the connection with the water, indoor-outdoor transitions are key, such as sliding glass walls that open onto spacious decks. Sustainability features like solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and eco-friendly waste management are also highly sought-after elements that allow the home to operate efficiently while respecting the delicate aquatic ecosystem it inhabits. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best floating homes design ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one that showcase the potential of this building method. One, the illuminated A-frame sanctuary. This design reimagines the classic A-frame cabin for a life on the lake. Featuring massive glass facades that glow from within during the twilight hours, this home creates a perfect symmetrical reflection on the water's surface. The steep roofline not only offers a dramatic interior volume, but also ensures a sleek, modern silhouette that stands out against a forest backdrop. 2. The multi-level timber retreat. Utilizing a sophisticated mix of natural wood siding and dark architectural panels, this multi-level floating home offers various outdoor zones. The inclusion of a rooftop pergola and a cantilevered balcony provides multiple vantage points to enjoy the surrounding scenery. while the expansive wraparound deck serves as a private dock for small watercraft. 3. The nautical wood-clad capsule. This design features a warm, horizontal with slat exterior that gives the home a cozy, organic feel. The rounded corners and chrome chimney stack add a touch of retro industrial flair. A unique upper-level observation deck enclosed in slats allows for privacy and shade while maintaining a constant flow of fresh air and light. 4. The minimalist monolith. A masterpiece of modern minimalism. This floating home uses a dark, vertical metal exterior to create a bold, clean statement. The recessed entrance and massive glass windows create a shadow box effect, allowing the warm interior light to contrast beautifully with the cool, dark tones of the structure's shell. 5. The Eco-Egg Pod. Pushing the boundaries of organic architecture. This egg-shaped floating pod is cladded in diagonal wood shingles. This aerodynamic and hydrodynamic shape is perfect for sensitive ecological areas. Its unique porthole windows and compact footprint make it an ideal choice for a sustainable guest house or a private creative studio on the water. 6. The modern floating container. Taking inspiration from industrial modular design, this home features a long, rectangular profile with floor-to-ceiling glass walls. The large open deck area, furnished with minimalist lounge chairs and a sun umbrella, emphasizes the lifestyle of relaxation. Its simple, clean lines allow the natural beauty of the surrounding hills and water to remain the focal point. 7. The ultra-luxury glass pavilion. This high-end design features a stunning cantilevered upper floor that seems to defy gravity. The vast, open-air lower deck serves as a luxury lounge and dining area, complete with a bar. This home is the pinnacle of resort-style living, where the boundaries between the architecture and the ocean are almost entirely erased. 8. The geometric glass tower. Combining sharp angles with translucent materials, this home glows like a lantern on the water. The curved roofline and multi-story glass walls allow for an abundance of natural light throughout the day. Its connection to a modern pier system shows how floating homes can be integrated into high-tech marina environments. 9. The Japandi floating villa. This design perfectly blends Japanese minimalism with Scandinavian functionality. The use of light wood vertical slats provides both shade and visual texture, while the long, low profile keeps the home feeling grounded despite being on the water. The interior is visible through massive sliders, showcasing a clean, clutter-free lifestyle. 10. The contemporary modular suite. A perfect example of modern modular construction, this home features a sleek gray frame with warm wood infill panels. The highlight of this design is the external glass rail staircase leading to a rooftop terrace, maximizing every square inch of usable space for outdoor enjoyment and panoramic views. Floating home design is more than just a trend. It is a transformative way of looking at how we inhabit our planet. By blending innovative engineering with thoughtful, biophilic aesthetics, these homes offer a unique opportunity to live in harmony with the water. Whether you are drawn to the minimalist metal structures or the organic warmth of timber-clad pods, the world of aquatic living provides a canvas for creativity and a sanctuary for the soul. As we continue to look for sustainable and inspiring ways to live, floating homes stand out as a beacon of modern architectural possibility. If you're inspired by these incredible floating designs and want to see more innovative home ideas, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs. We are dedicated to bringing you the very best in modern architecture and interior inspiration. Which of our top 10 floating homes was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update on the future of home design. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.